Today we have a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is, "Here's why you don't call 911 during a routine traffic stop."
On September 29th in Orlando, officers stopped a car on John Young Parkway after their system showed the registered owner's license had been suspended. The Mercury had such dark window tint that they couldn't tell who was actually driving, but the Supreme Court ruled in 2020 that officers can assume it's the RO, so they pulled the car over and went to investigate.
I wanted to go down.
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
I'm wonderful.
Officer Hernandez, Orlando Police Department.
Okay.
Do you have your license
What
registration?
you pull me for?
While some officers might answer the woman's question in an effort to de-escalate, it's perfectly normal not to, especially if the officer believes there's a strong chance it'll just lead to a debate about the infraction.
I'm going to let you know.
Don't tell me before.
Get your license and registration.
Let me call 911 and get a lieutenant, because I seen you behind me the whole while.
Ma'am, this is not an emergency. I'm a police officer. I'm pulling you over, okay?
I want to know why you...
Misuse of 911 services if she called 911.
Because I seen you.
Okay, your license is on suspended.
No, my license are not suspended. That's a lie. I've been seeing you. I went only to came to pick my...
Ma'am, you have your license with you.
I don't know. I don't know nothing about it.
Why are you calling 911?
Because I want somebody on the phone with me.
I am a police officer. You are safe. This is a traffic stop.
Okay, listen. Okay, listen to me. I'm going,
Ma'am,
to Orlando.
you need to hang up.
I don't have to hang up. I'm on the call.
This is not an emergency. I am a police officer.
I just can't. I'm not from Orlando. I can't get my friend on the ride from this place. I seen the officer behind me the whole while. I need to
ma'am.
with me.
They gonna get her together.
Hang up. You're about to go to jail for misuse 911.
She's on the phone.
This is not an emergency. Hernandez, okay?
His name is Hernandez.
You need to hang up. Okay, hey, step out of the vehicle.
You're about to go to jail for misuse of 911.
Step out of the vehicle.
Okay. Okay. He said my license showing suspended.
Why are you calling 911?
I call 911 because I don't trust y'all. That's the reason why. And they, y'all will stay on the phone, please. I only came to pick my friend girl up.
I don't understand why we're going through all these extra steps.
I don't either. Thank you. I'm on the phone still. No, don't take my phone. He's taking my phone, man.
Right now you're being detained.
Okay, now I am. That's crazy. I'm only giving my friend a ride. And I called 911 because, don't turn me around. Don't tell me what to do.
Hey.
I'm right here.
Listen.
I'm on the phone with 911.
Knock it off.
He was
You need to relax. I'm telling you, because I'm allowed to pull you over. I just told you your license
tell me my license
suspended.
is suspended. My licenses are not suspended.
It's showing suspended.
My licenses are
You're
not
trying
suspended.
to verify.
Let's verify.
This is nasty work, man. Body done, but driving a 2002 Buick Mercury, whatever. This is nasty work, man. She got cut up by Dr. Miami, but driving a 02 Mercury, man. What's going on here? Where's the priorities at, man? Where the priorities at? At least when the ladies go and get cut up, you know what I'm saying? Get sliced open, sliced and diced. A lot of times they doing it, one, so that way they could feel better about themselves or whatever. But two, so that they could get another level of God, man. You know what I'm saying? They trying to snag one of them NBA players or something, or one of them rappers. You know what I mean? Or to boost their OnlyFans or something, man. She went up and got sliced and diced, but driving a 02. That's crazy.
That.
Okay, verify. But y'all cannot be mad because I called 911. I only came way down here to get my friend a ride home.
So, ma'am, listen to me real quick. I'm not. Listen. Hold on. What's your first name?
Akira. I'm on the phone, ma'am. I'm on the phone.
She's calling 911.
Yeah, because
it's not an emergency.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He told me he pulled me over because my license suspended, and that's a lie. I only came way down here to get my friend a ride home, way back to Brandon. He lied on me. My license ain't suspended.
She'd actually admit later to knowing her license was suspended.
She acknowledged that her license was suspended.
She told you? She admitted it?
Your license got suspended for a financial responsibility.
My son got in a car accident on my red truck, and he wasn't able to provide insurance. So they suspended my license and his license. I drove a whole hour and 40 minutes to get my friend.
I don't understand why we had to go through all this.
She asked me a question. And she called my name. She pulled my license. She told me that, yo, you can put me in.
Hey, it's Delova Golf 28. You can hang up.
I drove an hour and 40 minutes to get my stranded friend. I drove an hour and 40 minutes to get a stranded friend.
Female.
Yeah, I'm very searchable.
Well,
I'm very searchable. I don't got nothing on me. I don't have no pockets. I drove an hour and 40 minutes to get my friend.
all right. Can we talk for 5 seconds?
Yes, but he's lying.
But I need you to be down here. So,
I'm down here. Come on.
I'm even going to show you. Stop.
Hold on. Relax. We're gonna show you.
Like that.
You need to calm down.
We ran your license. It says license not valid. Okay?
Why?
I don't know why. That's why
We're trying to tell you.
But you started getting all uppity with
Because my license shouldn't be suspended.
Okay,
I don't
all right.
drive. Okay, you can take me wherever you want to go.
We don't have to even do this. We're suspended license.
Okay, take me.
We were going to be nice to be like, hey, listen, you might not even know your license. You were not being nice to us. Now you're going to jail for resisting. How silly. How silly. This is the most silliest thing I've ever had to arrest someone for.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we got to tow your car.
Okay, it's fine.
This all could have been avoided.
I don't understand.
Just a warning.
Listen, my license shouldn't be suspended.
Okay, there's no need to call 911. I told you multiple times to hang up.
You're driving on suspended license, okay?
I understand.
Majority of the time, we're not going to take you to jail for a suspended license. We're either going to give you a summons, or we're going to say, hey, listen, go get this fixed, okay? But when you start acting like that and start going nuts,
can I be honest with you?
You take it out. No, we're done.
She won't even let the officer talk. And the crazy part is that she's in the wrong. And she knows she's in the wrong. There's a difference between, you know, maybe your license is suspended. You maybe missed a court date or something like that, whatever you did. Something got lost in the mail, whatever. You didn't know, right? Your license ended up getting suspended and you don't know. Legit, you don't know. You didn't know. That's one thing. But she knows that her license is suspended, but she's going to put up a fuss as if she's in the right. You got to be crazy, man.
I'm talking because you don't want to listen to anything that I'm saying.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Let's just go. Let's just go.
I tried to explain to you multiple times. Hey, listen, my body camera is rolling. I said hang up multiple times. This is not an emergency. Okay? There is a crime for calling 911 when there is no emergency.
No,
I am a police. No, ma'am, are you going to let me speak?
No.
Gio, let's go. Come on. We're going to jail. Gio, let's go.
Okay.
Do you want your wallet with you?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, let me get her wallet. I got her phone.
After that was settled, an officer would inventory the car prior to it being towed.
So there's one HP laptop in the trunk, one ThinkPad laptop in the trunk, 3 half-empty bottles of alcohol, and then miscellaneous clothing, paperwork, nothing else of value. Thank you, sir.
The officer charged her with misuse of 911 and resisting without violence. The county court system removed the case from its records, so it's likely the charges were dropped in their entirety. Nevertheless, the woman's stranded friend remained stranded that day. Thanks for
You know, I'll be liking police ride along stuff. They're funny. They're funny. The stranded friend remained stranded that day. Yeah, man. How you gonna argue and you know you wrong? Come on, man. You know deep down in your heart you wrong. You know your shit is suspended, but you gonna argue as if it's not. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.